All right, it says the Baha'i faith, and we did a lesson on this a long time ago. It says the Baha'i faith in Peru begins with reference to Peru and Baha'i literature as early as 1916, with the first Baha'is visiting as early as 1919. A functioning community wasn't founded in Peru until the 1930s, with the beginning of the arrival of coordinated pioneers from the United States, which progressed into finding national Peruvian converts and achieved an independent national community in 1961. Right, let me see. Usually don't like using my phone to look this stuff up. Satan be on it. Baha'i faith in Milwaukee. The Baha'i faith Persian is a monotheistic religion that emphasizes the spiritual unity of all humankind. Three core principles established a basis for Baha'i teachings and doctrine: the unity of God, the unity of religion, and the unity of humanity. According to Baha'i teachings, God is known by spiritual virtues such as truthfulness, kindness, unity, love, and justice. And the purpose of religion is to advance these virtues in humankind. It says the Baha'i faith was founded by Baha'u'llah 1817, 1892, in 19th century Persia. Right, so it's a Persian Elamistic religion. Due to opposition from Islamic clergy, early Baha'is faced heavy persecution that continues in modern Iran. Baha'u'llah himself was imprisoned and exiled from Iran, ultimately spending his last 40 years under various forms of house arrest in the Ottoman Empire. It says Baha'u'llah himself was imprisoned and exiled from Iran, ultimately spending his last 40 years under various forms of house arrest in the Ottoman Empire. Later, letters written by Baha'u'llah to various individuals, including some heads of state, have been collected and canonized into the body of Baha'i scripture that includes works by his son, Abdullah Baha, and also the Bab, who is regarded as Baha'u'llah's forerunner. It says at the time well, I gotta keep going into it, but yeah, man, this is of Satan right here. This is all of Satan, man. They following the basically the Trinity in a way. But yeah, man, yeah, man. Jake ain't got no business worshiping or in any of these religions, man. All right, it says back to this other document. It says Islam. They got Islam. You got Zebulun and Islam. The statistics for Islam in Peru estimate a total Muslim population of 5,000, largely based in the capital of Lima, Peru. See, look, man, Lima, Peru keep coming up, man. You know, the Lord is fucking their ass up for this shit, man. It says a number which has remained statistics since 1980. And then it says CX Wicca, introduced in 2001 by CX Gesith Ariel Phonis, Whedon of the Myanmar's Well Syaks Coven, Peru. Today, two covens exist in Lima City, see there I go again, as well as coven in Arequipa City, and another in Tacna City Bob. Wicca always has something to do with witchcraft. But in general, all these religions are witchcraft. Let me see. CX Wicca. Let me see if I can get it on this phone. Under the tree, man. Under the grove. All this is fucking crazy. It says CX Wicca is a tradition or denomination of the neo pagan religion of Wicca, which is largely inspired by the iconography of the historical Anglo-Saxon paganism. Though unlike theodism, it is not a reconstruction of the early medieval religion itself. The tradition was founded in 1973 by Raymond Buckland, an English-born high priest of Gardnerian Wicca, who moved to the United States in the 1970s. His book, The Tree, was written with the intent for it to be a definitive guide to Siaks Wicca and was published in 1974 by Samuel Weiser. Those subsequently republished in 2005 as Buckland's Book of Saxon Witchcraft. There are also online books of shadows for the tradition and on assorted websites. All right, man, so that's witchcraft. Look, all witchcraft. Got the sun, Amon-Ra, the grove, so-called Eve. Yeah, man. But that's what they get, and that's what the Peruvians, that's what Zebulon get, man. Because a lot of these religions in Peru are based in Lima, where the flood is at, man. But that's it for the lesson. Yahushua just gonna keep fucking their ass up until you get back, man. So all praise to Yahushua, double honors to the elders and apostles that rule well. Salutations to the brothers doing the truth and sincerity. Shalom.